Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open Chase bank account. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Chase website. So here, this is the official Chase website, and over here you'll get a guide to open your bank account. So if you have an account, what you can do is just log in, or if you don't have account, you can just hit the sign up button and you'll be able to create a Chase account. And over here you can see, here you'll be able to open your bank account. What you have to do is just enter some information. So here what you have to do is enter your social security number, your account name and number, and after you do that you have to enter your username. So make sure you enter this necessary information, and once you enter this information you'll be able to open Chase bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.